we're blowing out my hair. So for products, I'm gonna go in with my Way leave-in conditioner. Half the bottle is like gone because I use this stuff. And I'm also gonna go in with the Kendra blow dry spray. It's supposed to dramatically reduce blow dry time up to 50% and provides intense heat protection from damage and breakage. This is a lightweight formula. One thing about me, when I like a product, I buy everything in the line. I went on Amazon and I bought everything else I could find relevant to blow dry my hair. Okay, so when I like something, I go a bit overboard. Also, another product I'm going to be using is my LatriceM Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant. This is very watery, so I'm going to use this as like my water spray bottle. Next, I went in with my leave-in conditioner. The directions say to apply it to damp hair. I've really been trying to follow directions when it comes to hair products because they're there for a reason. So it's like if I were to apply this leave-in product on soaking wet hair, it probably wouldn't give me the best results because that's not what the directions say to do. So again, it says to spray on damp hair, which my hair is damp. This smells so good. Oh, that smells nice. I wasn't expecting for it to smell like that. I wasn't expecting for it to smell like anything. It says it's lightly, so I can probably put a little more. I've said it before, I'm pretty heavy-handed when it comes to products. I tend to do it a little overboard. Try not to do that this time. I like to do before blow drying. It's just to tangle my hair. This just helps to make sure that I don't get any hair clogging up my brushes. Don't want to have tangles and pull my hair out when using a hot tool because I don't think that's very smart. So I detangle my hair to avoid having any extra unnecessary pulling from using the blow dryers. Ooh, I probably should section this off. This is way too big of a section. So I finished my first section. It is 9:49. I started at 9:38. 10 minutes, one section. Complete. Hold on, because wait. Look at the big freaking difference. That's so crazy. I probably really could have left it as a braid out because this looks pretty cute. But this also looks really freaking good too. Shout out to Revlon. Okay, so I decided to switch over to voiceover. I'm just showing you guys my sections. This is a completely separate day, by the way. I've done this probably at least 3 times by this part of the video. So I'm just sectioning off my leave out. I do leave out the perimeter of my hair and I just braid up the middle. You guys will see later on in the video. But this was all trial and error. This style, this method is a lot of trial and error. By the way, I'm not a professional braider. Please don't talk about my braids. So I just braid up as best as I could. And I took the braids and tried to like flip them into like the spaces in between the braids and just bobby pin them down. I end up taking the bobby pins out later. If you can honestly just like sew your braids down and do like a net, do that. That's so much easier. That's the original method, the Desi method. But I don't know how to do that. So this is what I came up with. Just trying to improvise with the skills that I have. So yeah, I just pretty much bunch them, but try to like make sure it's all still flat, bobby pin them down, and I do take the bobby pins out as I'm applying the clip-ins. Some may need to stay just for security purposes. These are the clip-ins. These are from Clipped by LA. I'll have all the information down in the description box. This is not sponsored. Trust me, I wish I could have a life supply of these bundles, but I paid with these with my own money and they are the bomb. They're so thick from like root to end. They're just amazing. And I'm ready to stock up and buy more because I've been wearing these like crazy. But anyways, I'm just showing you guys how I put the clip-ins in, what like the layout was like. Again, this is a lot of trial and error. I still haven't perfected it, and I've probably done this method with these clip-ins maybe like 4 or 5 times by now. Like this is like part of my routine. Be patient. It is going to be trial and error. Just trying to figure out where you want your clip-ins to fit and fall. I'm going to show you guys what products I'm going to be using to straighten my hair. This is all from the Camera line. Obsessed with this line. I do have all of these products linked in my storefront if you guys want to give them a try. But this is my hair after I press it all out. Do you see the blend? Seamless. No other clip-ins have blended this well with my hair. I don't care. And look how thick. Like, my hair is not out at the bottom. That's all the clip-ins. And I tried to layer it as best as I could because my hair is layered. And I didn't really get to show you guys that because that was also a trial and error. But yeah, this is how she's looking. She looks amazing. So on the Clipped by LA website, they do offer like different kinds of bundles. So you can do like a bundle and a half, or you can do just like, I think, a half bundle. I think I got the bundle and a half. I don't remember, but I'll leave the exact ones that I got down below. But 10 out of 10, definitely recommend these. So I'm just curling my hair. I can't have straight hair. That's just me. Like, it has to be curled. I need volume. So I do this even on my actual like hair when I do my at-home silk presses. So I just take my, I think it's a 1.5 inch curling rod. Don't know, don't quote me, but I just curl my entire head basically, let my rollers sit in my hair for however long, and then I take them out, and then I'm going to show you guys a little bit later my nighttime routine, but this is pretty much my just regular routine when I do my silk presses and my extensions at home. Something wrong with me. I like the way you screw your face up, trigger me right when I need it. You wrong when and if anybody is curious, I also got these rollers off of Amazon. Everything will be linked in my storefront. Everything is in the description box down below. Don't talk about my rollers. It's not perfect. Nothing I do is ever perfect, but it just seems to always work out. So when I take them down, I always do this twisting motion. I don't know if it really does anything, but I be seeing people do it on TikTok and their hair become out looking bomb. So I do the same thing. And yep, this is pretty much how it's looking. It gives me, like, I love big, sexy, flowy hair. Like, that's just my thing. And whenever I do this look, I get that result. I don't really care for tight curls. This gives me more of like a wave. The curls do drop very fast, unfortunately. Even on my hair, it's not even the extensions. It's just the curl. It's not a tight curl. It's like a loose wave. But I just love the effortless curl kind of look. So if you like that, give this a try. If you don't, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I'm gonna wrap my hair at night. I really just did this because I wanted to get some kind of curl in the hair going. This is a good foundation for what I wanted. This side looks great though. This side is looking amazing. I just need to cut a little bit more just so it's more feathered. But she looks good. Not bad. Not bad. Side note, I never actually went in and cut anymore. I just left it how it was. This is how I wrap my hair. Even my actual real hair, I always do this. So I take like about 3, sometimes 2 flexi rods, and I just roll it towards my face. So you'll see in the morning how it falls. It just gives more volume at the top, which is what I love. And I got this off of TikTok too. So shout out to TikTok and the girlies on TikTok because they taught me how to do my hair properly. So I do this for the front, and then once I get to the back, make sure it's really tight, by the way, so it doesn't like unravel. But once I get to the top, once I get to the back, I do the same thing, but I pretty much go, yeah, like towards my face. Y'all can see from the video, I'm explaining this horribly. But yeah, this is super simple, super easy. I believe I just do 2 flexi rods in the back, which gives me a bit more of a tighter curl. The more flexi rods that I use, the bigger the curl, the tighter the curl. I don't know the science behind that, but that's usually how it works. The girl that did it on TikTok, she used a sock. I didn't. I just used the flexi rods, and it stays together. So this is the next morning. And I just simply unravel them and just do like a little finger comb. Y'all see that curl though? Tell me that's not a beautiful curl, because it is. So I just simply unravel them and just comb it out, and then it's like, boom, my hair is done. And I love this. I love this routine. I love this style. It's so simple. It's so easy. I do this every night for like the next 2 weeks until I have to wash my hair again, and then do the same thing. So yeah, y'all, I forgot to do an outro, so this is pretty much the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment below if you have any questions, or if I forgot to mention something, please let me know.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go up tonight.